So once again, we're going to take a thread, a needle, that has a knot at the end and is about 2 feet in length, and we're going to connect this to this, and this minus to this minus, and this plus to this number 9 right down here. This is a bit long of a thread for it, but it's a lot easier to work with excess, and we can reuse that later on. So to start off with, we're going to take the battery and kind of push the fabric right up against it, and then kind of pinch and push the needle right through until we get to the knot, which we should feel if we go slow enough, and then I'll just hold that there. Alrighty. So as you can see, the glue may not be holding very well for different people, but you want to make sure that you get the minus side right over here and not the plus. We'll just stick this right next to it, and then we'll use that to pinch and push through. Remember, we want to make sure that we don't accidentally sew the glove together so we can't get our hands in there later on when we finish. Alright, so then we're going to make a knot, pull it through, and just with the needle kind of guide it closer to the hole as we tighten it. And then we're going to cut this, and we're going to make another knot in the thread, the back end again. So once you've done that, we're going to go from this plus here pinching the fabric, and we're going to loop it through a couple times as usual, and then we'll just thread that through a little bit here, a little bit of stitching, come up right next to the 9, and then we will just push or pinch and push right through. And then knot it. And using the thread or the needle, we're going to guide the thread's knot right next to it. There we go. We're now going to cut off all this excess. Here, here, and right here. Make sure you don't cut off the knots though, otherwise the thread might come loose. Alright, so the next thing we're going to attach are the LEDs.